In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zotero to streamline citations and references in academic writing, how to save yourself hours, days, or weeks worth of work formatting your citations and references. So let's do this. First, let's take a quick look at what we are going to cover in this video. First, I'm going to explain what Zotero is and why it is an important tool to have in your academic writing toolbox. Then I will take you to the registration and installation processes, and we will head over to the Zotero interface, and I will show you how the interface is structured and explain each section of the Zotero library. After which, I am going to show you the various ways by which you can add resources into this library and how you can manage your library like a pro. And finally, I will show you how to use Zotero within a word processor, Microsoft Word, to make inserting your citations and building your references list smarter and simpler. So without further ado, let's get the show started. Let's start by explaining what is Zotero and why should you use it. Zotero is a free open source reference management software that helps researchers, students, and academics collect, organize, cite, and share research sources. Zotero simplifies the process of managing citations, references, and bibliographies for academic and research purposes. However, it is worth noting that Zotero is free up to a data storage limited of 300 megabytes, and this should be more than enough if you are just storing reference. The first step is to download the Zotero software. Zotero is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. In this video, I will be using the Windows version, but the layout and the functionality are much pretty the same across board. Okay. You head over to Zotero.org, and on Zotero.org, what you do is you come here where I'm hovering my browse on my mouse, and then you click on download to have Zotero download so that you can install it on your PC. If you are using Windows, you come here to download the Zotero into your window, and I will be walking you through how to install it also on your PC. So come here, open the folder, show in the folder. Then I get mine download. Then from here, I can install what the Zotero software I just downloaded. So you can right click on it, then you run as administrator, where is run as administrator. Then come and click yes. Then wait for it to extract those files that need to be extracted. Then click next. Just go with the standard, then click next. So then click install. Then finish. Now, what will happen immediately you complete the downloading and installing, the Zotero interface will automatically open up for you. Now, let's complete our download installation and registration. So you come immediately after you finish the downloading, Zotero should open up this page for you. And what this page wants to do is you want to install the Zotero connector, which is a plugin that helps you extract resource material from website. So you come here, click on install. And now come and add to your Chrome, whether you're using Chrome or whatever browser you are using, to pop up for you to add to whatever browser you are using, and add extension. Now this is our Zotero added to our web browser. And the next thing you want to do is you want to register. Then normally, just as you open an account on your Facebook, you insert your username, your email, you confirm, you put your password, you verify password, and then check this and register. Then you have your own cloud-based Zotero account that you can synchronize your Zotero offline to that account whenever you are online. One beauty thing about Zotero is you can also use it offline while you are not online. But immediately you get online and you open up your Zotero, it helps you synchronize it to the online platform. So let's move on. Now, right click on my library, then you see new collection. So you can pick new collection, then you create a new collection. Maybe you want to create a collection specifically for your literature review, or specifically for your discussion, or specifically for a material or a book that you are reviewing or you are writing. So that's how to create new collection. And here might house your own personal publications, all the publications you have had in the you have published, all the materials you have published, then you can house them under my own publications. And this is how to start. You can duplicate any item you want to duplicate. And you can also tag. I'll be showing you how to do tag by the time I'm walking you through how to add resource materials into Zotero library. There are different ways by which you can add resources into your Zotero library. About 4 ways you can do that. The first option is by manual entry. The second option is to upload or link the PDF file of the resource material. And the third option, which is faster than the earlier 2 options that I mentioned, is by using an identifier such as a DOI or ISBN. The final one, which is the fourth option, is to use the Zotero connector. All right, in a moment, I'm going to walk you through all the 4 options. Now, first, let me walk you through the manual entry option. The manual entry option is the most tedious and it consumes time, but I'm doing this so that you know all other features that you need to have in that you have on your Zotero library. When you want to do manual option, you come to this green plus button and click on this. Then you choose whichever type of resource material that you want to add. Is it a journal article, a newspaper, or whichever? This more shows all other forms of material that you can add. Now, we are going to be using journal article. Looking at the right side of your Zotero library interface, you see all what you can fill out for the materials you want to add manually. You see the journal title, you fill it, the author, abstract, publication. And mind you, you don't have to fill everything. You just have to fill all that you require for the type of reference you are, maybe APA or about that you are going to be using. All information that kind of referencing needs, that is what you just need to fill out here. So for manual entry, you have to fill this one by one. Now that takes us to the second option, which is either by you adding a PDF, uploading your PDF file into your Zotero library, or linking it into your PDF file wherever you have it on your PC. And to do that, you come to this same green plus button, click on it, and you can see link to file or store copy of file. Now, whichever one you want. Now, if you are using store copy of file, remember you have maximum for free account, you have maximum of 300 megabytes. Now, for you to work to save your data space, you might use link to file. Now let's go about store copy of file. Or you click store copy of file, then take you to your folder, your PC folder, and you pick whatever. You go directly to where you store those resource material that you want to put on the Zotero library. Then you pick, let's say we want to put this one on our Zotero library. Then you click open. Then you wait for it. We already have it here, but we have to wait for it for a few seconds for it to load for us here. Now you see the material resource, other than the manual entry that you have to enter it one by one, you can see all the material, the title, the author. Then you have to double check to see all the information are correct. Anyone that is not correct, you can actually edit it. Like if this one is not correct, you can click on it and edit whatever you want to edit. So that is the second option by which you can add material, resource material to your Zotero library. Now let's move to the third option, which is by using an identifier. And this is majorly for journal article or books. All you need to do that is you come here, this magic wand icon, click on it, and it brings, so this is the different identifier that you can use, ISBN, DOI, PMID, and all the rest that you can use. All you just need is come here, copy them and paste it inside there, and Zotero will do remaining work for you. So let's take one as an example. Now let's come here, have some material. Let's try this journal article. Let's see where is the DOI? Okay. Let's pick this DOI and use it. You copy it and come back to your Zotero, then click the magic wand button, then paste this DOI and press enter. You see? So this is how it works. He has bring it in here, and he has also the incident of parasitic infection in adult juvenile class guibinos in. Now, if you check the paper, you see the same title and the same author, the incidence of parasitic, and who are the author? Now you want to double check, you want to cross check whether the author are well arranged also on your Zotero. If there are corrections to make, you can easily make those corrections and correct that, or check out that all the information you need are also here. Anyone that are not there, you can quickly input it there. So that is the third way by which you can add resources into your Zotero library. And the fourth way is by using Zotero connector. That is why we have to download the Zotero connector the other time. This is the Zotero connector. Now, assuming this is a paper, rather than for me looking for DOI or downloading this, I can equally go to my Zotero connector, click on, now you see, this is it, and the ecological risk assessment of this. Now this is already, just press enter, and we should find it there in our Zotero. Here is it, ecological risk assessment of invertebrate caught in this. And you see all the information is here. All you just need is to cross-check whether those information are well organized and they are correct, and all the information you need for your referencing are also here. If there's anyone that is not there, you just input And now that we have covered all the 4 ways of adding resources rather into your Zotero library, let's quickly take a look at how to manage your resources within the library. Assuming we have some materials that you want to organize into a collection for maybe for your introduction. Now, you know this material is for the introduction of a journal that you are writing. Then you come here, you create, right click on the My Library, then you create a new collection, and then you type the name, whatever name you want to give to it. You can say into maybe fish. Then you OK it. Now, you come back to your library, whatever material that you want to be in that collection, you just right click on it, hold and drag into the connection intro, and assuming this also wants to go there, you put it there also. Then we can now come to this intro and we see all the those ones are in that collection. So that is how you curate your collection, and all your material, whether in any collection or in any area you put them, you will find all of them in the main library. So all those material we have in intro fish, they are still in the main library. It's just to help us organize what we have, since we have know where to go to for whatever material we are using for this. And now, when you work on this material in your main library, assuming this, then you have this is the information of the material, and this is what you'll be needing for your reference list. And then you can add notes. Whatever you want to add notes to, whatever material you want to add notes to, then you click on adding note, then whatever note you want to put, you add it there. And you can tag whatever material you want to tag as whatever you want to tag. You can tag this material, you can tag this as maybe as I1, and this as I2, or this as I3. So that you know what you connote I with. Then you can come for tag to know what a material that are under I1, when you know what your I1 means. And you can also have a related material. You can make all this a related material. So related material talk about all the materials that you know that they are related in, then all this material, you can make them related material. Now, what do you mean add this one to the related material? You can click this one also and add it to whatever related material you want to add them to. You see the tag that we have here. So you can tag them as whatever you want to tag them. All we just need is play around the interface to be able to organize your work better in such a way that you'll be able to know where to go to when you are looking for one thing or the other. So that is that about the interface. So how to use Zotero in a word processor. And I'm going to walk you through Microsoft Word, but the process is the same in Google Docs and other word processors. In case you finish all the installation and the registration and installation that I showed you earlier, and you are not seeing your Zotero, just restart your system and you should be seeing the Zotero plugin in your Microsoft Word or whatever word whatever word processor you are using. And if there's any area of this you still want me to shed some light on, then let me know in the comment section. We do a specific or a special tutorial for that to guide you through that. Maybe you encounter some challenges while you are using Zotero and you want more light to be shed on that for you. Just let me know in the comments, and I will equally do a special tutorial for that for you. So when you have your Zotero in your word processor, and let's say this is your document, this is what you are writing, and you want to put a citation on this, and you want to do your reference list as well. So here you go to is you come to where you want to put the citation. Let's say this is where we want to put the citation. Then you put your cursor there, let it blink, and then you come here, click on Zotero. Then you see you have add or edit citation, add or edit bibliography, read, insert note, document reference, refresh, and unlink. So I'll be showing you how all these work. Now we want to add citation, and then you come to add or edit citation. Now, when you are using this for the first time, it will request you to select which of these citation style are you using. Now, for this purpose, we are using APA. So I will be clicking on APA. Then all you need next is click OK. Then you will see a dropped. Now, there's body citation here. Then it's loading them. You can either search for the citation you want to add by title or by author. Let's say I have to then can click this. And if you want to add more, just put space, then type again and use title, then you had the, when you are done with that, all you just need is press enter on your keyboard. Then your citation is set there. Now, let me do another way. You can also do that in this format. You can also go to add and edit citation. And rather than typing with typing title or author's name, then you can come in and click on this small arrow pointing down, and then you click on classic view so that you can see the list of those references you have. Then you begin to select the one you want. So it will bring it out for you like this. Then you can select the one you want. Select the one you want, and you can use press control if you want to select more than one. Press on control and select as many as you want to select. Then click OK. Oh, it doesn't go. So you have your citation there, and you are good to go. Now, when you are done with your citation, then you want to create your reference list. Just come to where you want to create your reference list, and let your cursor blink there. Where you come to here is now add or edit bibliography. Reference list is called bibliography in Zotero. So you click on add or edit bibliography. Then that is it. All the references we have in this work is down here. And then the next thing for you is now to edit this in the way your school or the journal you want to send the work to. If the spacing is not correct, you do the necessary editing to ensure that it meets the standard of where the work is going to. That is about that. Now, the next thing you want is when you are done with your work and your work is going to leave your computer to elsewhere, whether to your supervisor or to the journal that you want to publish the work in, you need to do something. You have to unlink this. You have to unlink this work from your Zotero library. Otherwise, there might be some challenges when the work leave your computer to wherever else is going to. So you come here, then all you do is you click on link citation. When you click on link citation, this will totally unlink this work from your Zotero library. You can see remove all Zotero feed code and unlink from Zotero library. Then when you do, when that is when you are done with everything with this work. And in case the work is in progress, maybe today you come in and you had a new citation here today, and the next thing you do is after you add a new citation, all you just need to do is don't come to add and edit bibliography again. You come to refresh. So immediately you refresh, the citation will come in order how it's supposed to be arranged in your reference list. So, and when you look for document, in case you want to change the citation style, then you come to document prereference. Then you select whatever citation style you want to select, and you change it to the new one you want to change it. So that's how that one works. In case you want to do some note, maybe you want to insert some note in your references, then you can take that route and click on insert note and do that. That's basically how you use Zotero in word processor. And today I show you on how to use it on Microsoft Word, and it's all pretty the same on other word processor. Now, the final thing that I want to show you here before we leave is, the other time I'll ask you that you have to register. That is an option, it's a choice you make. You can decide to register on a Zotero online platform or not. But if you do that, all you have to synchronize whatever you have in your Zotero library to the cloud, the Zotero cloud, so that wherever you go to, you can still use your Zotero library, even if your PC is not handy, it's not with you there. Then when you do that, here is where you do the synchronization. Here is where you synchronize with your Zotero library. Just come here on Word, on Windows. This is where you find that might be different on Mac. Then you come here. If you have not done it before, it gives you a dialog box. Yeah, it gives you this dialog box where you now input your username of that your Zotero online account and your password. Then when you do that, you click OK, and automatically all you have in your Zotero offline library will be synchronized into online library, and it will continue to help you do that automatically. Though you can also check out, also check that out by just clicking on this whenever you know that you are online to confirm that that is done. So that is it pretty much. If you have got value from this video, I will really, really appreciate if you hit the like button so that more students and academics out there can find this video. And if you want to learn more about academia and academic research workflows and research writing, be sure to subscribe to the Academia Cafe channel and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our content. Until next time, gracias.